Are we truly alone in the universe, or have aliens already made their presence known on Earth? Dive into the tantalizing mystery of extraterrestrial visitation and uncover the shocking truths behind reported sightings and encounters. The idea of aliens visiting Earth has captured imaginations for decades, inspiring countless stories, movies, and theories. While there's no conclusive evidence to prove that aliens have visited our planet, the possibility remains a topic of speculation and fascination. If aliens were to come to Earth, it would undoubtedly be a monumental event, sparking numerous questions about their intentions, technology, and the impact on humanity. It's a concept that triggers curiosity and wonder about what lies beyond our world, alien life which does not originate from Earth. No alien has yet been conclusively detected. Such life might range from simple forms such as prokaryotes to intelligent beings, possibly bringing forth civilizations that might be far more advanced than humanity.